What's up, guys? Today we're going to take a look at the best mechanics tool sets on the market for this year. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started. Number 5. Cobalt Household Tool Set. Are you seeking the ultimate companion for your household repairs and DIY projects? Look no further than the Cobalt 267-piece household tool set with soft case, precise and efficient ratchet. The 92 3/8-inch drive ratchet boasts a quick-release feature, offering a precise 4-degree swing for enhanced maneuverability, especially in confined workspaces. This ratchet works seamlessly with the adapter to accommodate a 1/4-inch drive sockets. Comprehensive socket assortment. With a 41-piece socket assortment, including 6-point, shallow, metric, and SAE measurements, this toolkit equips you for a wide range of tasks. Additionally, it includes a dedicated spark plug socket, ensuring you have the right tool for every job. Durable construction. Crafted from chrome vanadium steel and heat-treated for maximum strength and durability, the ratchet, sockets, and socket accessories in this set are built to withstand rigorous use. The professional high-polish finish not only enhances their appearance but also contributes to their longevity. User-friendly design. Metric and SAE socket sizes are clearly marked with laser-etched size callouts and color-coded stripes, blue for metric, red for SAE, allowing for easy identification and selection. Moreover, the heavy-duty tote features multiple pockets for convenient storage and organization, along with an extra padded carry handle and adjustable shoulder strap for comfortable transportation. The Cobalt 267-piece household tool set with soft case is a comprehensive and reliable toolkit that caters to the diverse needs of homeowners and DIY enthusiasts alike. With its precision-engineered tools, durable construction, and user-friendly design, it is sure to become an indispensable asset in your toolbox arsenal. Number 4. STARWORK Mechanics Tool Set. If you're in search of a high-quality and comprehensive mechanics tool set, look no further than the STARWORK True Mechanic 303-piece mechanics tool set featuring a 120T ratcheting wrench. 120T ratchet precision. The STARWORK True Mechanic tool set boasts a 120T ratcheting function with an impressive 3 degrees of swing arcade. This high-precision and high-torque ratchet ensure efficient and effective completion of tasks, making your job smoother and more productive. Comprehensive SAE and metric ratcheting wrenches. The set includes a range of popular sizes for both SAE and metric applications. The SAE ratcheting wrench sizes range from 5/16 to 3/4 inches, while the metric sizes cover 8 to 19 millimeters. This versatility ensures that you have the right tool for every job, providing convenience and flexibility. Versatile high-performance tool set. Number 3. EPAuto Mechanics Tool Set. Looking for a dependable and comprehensive mechanics tool set? Look no further than the EPAuto Mechanics Tool Set drive socket wrench ratchets, featuring 122 pieces designed to meet all your needs. Premium quality construction. Crafted from hardened treated chrome vanadium steel alloy, CRV, the tools in this set are built to last. The corrosion-resistant chrome plating and mirror-polished finish ensure durability and longevity, making them suitable for heavy-duty use. Comprehensive set for versatile applications. The EPAuto Mechanics tool set includes everything you need for various tasks, including a ratchet drive, open wrench, drive bit holder, spinner handler, sockets, screw bits, extension bar, and adapter. Whether you're working on automotive repairs, home improvement projects, or equipment maintenance, this set has you covered. Metric and English sizes included. Both metric and English sizes are included in the set. Number 2. Craftsman 262-piece mechanic tool set. When it comes to tackling automotive jobs and general mechanic fixes, the Craftsman 262-piece mechanic tool set stands out as a reliable and comprehensive solution. Heavy-duty all-in-one set. With 262 pieces, this mechanic tool set equips you to handle a wide range of projects with ease. Whether you're working on automotive repairs or general mechanical tasks, you'll find the right tool for the job within this comprehensive set. Convenient drawer design. The spring-loaded locking dial allows you to open and close the drawers with just one hand, enhancing efficiency and convenience while you work. Additionally, the drawers can be nested on top of the toolbox for quick access and temporary storage, ensuring that your tools are always within reach. Durable steel construction. Crafted from high-quality alloy steel, the sockets, wrenches, and ratchets in this set are designed for long-lasting performance. The full-polish chrome finish not only adds strength, but also provides corrosion protection, ensuring that your tools withstand the test of time. Number 1. DeWalt 168-piece mechanics set review. Unleashing precision and performance. Looking for a reliable and comprehensive mechanics tool set? The DeWalt 168-piece mechanics set is designed to meet your needs with precision performance, durability, and convenience. Precision performance with direct torque technology. Prevent rounding of fasteners with sockets featuring direct torque technology, ensuring precise and efficient performance with every use. This technology enhances torque transfer and optimizes power delivery for maximum efficiency. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.